So here's the question. Do you believe in ghosts? We don't, but we're staying in a haunted hotel, and now we're freaking out because we got to go to sleep here in a minute, and now we just keep hearing stories of people dying and getting murdered and heads getting chopped off and all kinds of stuff in this hotel that we didn't even know.
We booked the hotel without knowing that it was haunted. It was just the coolest hotel in Baker City. There's not many options. It was built in 1889, and it looked really cool from the outside, so we said, okay, let's do it. And then we sat in the room and started doing some history, looking up the history of the hotel, and found that it's haunted.
Thousands of Treasure Valley residents will hit the road this summer on the hunt for new adventures. And there's one nearby destination that's booming with paranormal tourism. Our KBY2 News photojournalists take us inside the Geyser Grand Hotel in Baker City, Oregon.
It's the ultimate intrigue. It's like a mystery that so far continues year after year.
It's actually been on the show Ghost Hunters. They did an episode here at this hotel in 2013. We're not watching that tonight. We talked about it. We're not watching it tonight.
No, we're watching it.
We're going to wait until after tonight, maybe once we get home. But there's all kinds of stories. The owner from 1902, Annabelle, she had a permanent residency. So this is room 205. This is where we are.
Boo.
302 upstairs, which is that way in the corner. She had a permanent residency up there. And that room is known to be haunted. She also had a permanent seat at the bar downstairs. And after her death, it was reported multiple times that people, if they sat in her chair at the bar, it would feel like cold fingers pinching your butt. So,
someone's pinched my butt.
Not been to the bar.
If someone's gonna pinch my butt, I'm going to the bar.
Yeah.
A lady in blue who used to be an owner that passed away here, walking down the stairs, and people see her in the mirror, and then they'll turn around, there won't be anybody there.
We believe her name is Grandma Annabelle. We believe she was the mother of one of the owners of the hotel in the early 20th century, and different people that haven't talked to each other have described her to me as looking alike. She has a receding chin, she has dark brown hair like my color, she wears it up in a Gibson girl style, and she always wears a beautiful long blue dress. And she kind of floats around. Sometimes she'll sit down next to your bed if you're in 302. She'll go up and down the staircase, sometimes disappear into the wall.
Yeah. Also, then another super haunted room is 203, which is just 2 down from us. And supposedly that's like the party room that they hear noise, like loud music and people partying back in the day.
Should be fun trying to sleep tonight.
Yeah.
With the party room.
This area up here is reported that people have seen the flappers from the 1920s. So ladies out here dancing and partying and having a good old time.
The only story that I think is the most fun and I've never heard about anywhere else in the world is the party ghosts. Going back into the 1950s, would hear the partying start. And you know what a party sounds like. You've got clinking glasses, a little bit of low hum and laughter, kind of like what you're hearing right now. Maybe a little bit of tinkling music, but nothing you can really distinguish. But definitely, you're hearing a party. You open the doors, it stops. And these are dozens of ghosts having a party. We don't take the position that there are ghosts. We don't encourage that. We just take the position that the hunt for ghosts is nothing but fun. And if they're here, they're fun. There's nothing bad about it because everybody, including all the staff's having a ball with it.
Oh, a little freaky being here. There are not many people here.
No, like we're like the only 2 people here.
One other thing to note is they also have daily ghost tours here.
It's daily ghost tours?
It says daily. So it says the tunnels led to brothels. They gave passage to Chinese immigrants who weren't allowed on the streets at night. They were handy during heavy snow, and they were also good for stashing booze during Prohibition. But mostly they connected the men with the brothels. So Baker City was once the brothel capital of the West and even had a whore tax that paid for its streetlights.
A whore tax?
It had a whore tax.
Let's go upstairs first. That's insane, dude. That's freaking hilarious. A whore tax.
Nothing I ever knew of.
What?
Nothing I'd ever heard of.
What was that?
So room 302 is It's right there.
Oh yeah.
That's where Annabelle lived. It was in 1998 that 18-year-old Presley Wayne died of a mysterious gunshot to the head the morning after his show here at the Geyser Grand.
That's freaky. What if they open the door? Check out these hallways. I mean, this is just a cool hotel, no matter what. Even if you don't care about haunted stuff, that's cool. But this is just a cool hotel.
The age of it by itself, the fact that it's still standing, they almost demolished it.
Yeah, that would have been terrible. So here's the deal. They say don't take the elevator because sometimes they'll join you in there. What was that? What was that?
I think it was just the noise of the elevator coming up.
Oh crap.
You want to go to the basement?
Basement? No, oh my gosh, don't go
Going to the basement.
Don't go to the basement. This kind of freak you out a little bit, doesn't it? This is funny. I can't wait to see you try to sleep tonight.
I know.
Are we going to hell?
I don't know. That was a long time I could have walked that faster.
Basement level.
Are we stuck?
Dude, what would happen if I would have just like, oh my gosh, it's freaking me out.
There's a ring.
So that's a door that goes to nowhere. That's the one where
There's
you,
a
they
ring.
probably, that's probably where
What
they
is
go.
this?
That's probably where they take you at night.
That's like the tiniest door ever.
Dude, don't try to open that thing.
Don't.
Oh, it's locked. Okay, go to this dinner thing that you showed earlier.
Yeah. So here in 1905, they had a Christmas dinner. So here's all the food that was being served.
What were they serving? Cream of chicken, green olives,
Planked whitefish,
boiled English pheasant, tasty.
goose, antelope,
Antelope, all right.
a young turkey stuffed with oyster dressing, a roasted young suckling pig,
And how much was it, babe?
$1 per plate.
$1.
And you had options
that
of milk,
out.
tea, or coffee.
$1. This is cool, man.
It's a saddle of antelope with grape jelly and green corn on the cob.
Okay, so you're not allowed to go in there. That's
green
employees
corn on the
only.
cob.
I don't even know what's back here.
Employees only.
I know. Oh, it's laundry. Ooh, it's scary. So here they got a historic cellar, which you can't get into at the moment.
Oh yeah, and the movie. They filmed a movie here. Paint Your Wagon.
Let's go. Dude, you see this, babe? Look down here. This is all brick wall down here.
Really?
Yeah, look at all the brick. It's all brick. So you're literally in a cellar.
There's tables in there.
Yeah,
like you
for-
can eat
yeah.
there.
Well, you drink wine or... Dude, that's deep. Look how... That's like a bunker.
That's freaky looking.
That is freaky looking. That's cool. I'd be kind of scared to go in there, honestly. This must be where the... Check this out. This must be where you go for the haunted thing. So there's the cellar. That's the door to the cellar,
yeah.
I think. Another door. And then this must be where the haunted thing is, I assume. Dude, there's all kinds of just
He
doors.
gave us a code for the fitness
Oh,
room.
did he give you the code for the just doors that are leading to nowhere?
Oh, those are keys.
I
You
don't-
want to see the fitness room?
I don't care about the fitness room. I'm not trying to be fit. I'm going to die tonight from a ghost.
That's-
The mixologists or bartenders at the Geyser Saloon have been serving spirit beverages for over a century. These bottles were discovered during the hotel restoration. Look at this, Kim. These bottles were found after the restoration in the ground. They were like buried.
Really?
And then they found them. Look at that. Many were discovered from the underground tunnel system under the sidewalks of Main, Washington, and Resort Streets. Those were found in secret hiding holes in the floorboards and the walls of the hotel.
That's crazy.
Is
because
it?
that's the whole thing, that they used to hide the bottles because of
Prohibition. Well, so far I'm not seeing any ghosts, so I'm a little bummed. But let's be real. Who really expected us to see any ghosts? Anybody? Maybe you saw one in this video. If you did, comment down below. What are you doing down
I
there?
was reading.
I can't believe you're down there all by yourself.
I know. But it showed how this was all card tables and stuff.
Oh, really?
Back in
It was
like
card
the
tables?
20s. Yeah. Look at these photos.
There's the bar. So they say they used to have a seat that she used to sit in and she'd pinch your butt. But unfortunately, that sounds like they moved it during the renovation. And so she doesn't do it as much anymore. Supposedly. Who is that, her?
No,
that's Jackson
Indian
Sundown.
cowboy. I don't think I've ever been in and out of a
Another guy's probably
hotel.
like, are you guys
more
ever
in
gonna
my
like?
life.
He's probably like, why are you guys coming in and out of this thing so many times today? All right, so here's the building. As you can see up top, there's a flickering light. You can catch that up there. So, just to make it just a little more spooky, but cool for the hotel. But you can see here, it's located right on Main Street, so you've got all your restaurants and bars and all the kind of stuff that you would want to have downtown. This is, they're really nice downtown area. So, if you're looking for a place to stay, it's affordable and haunted. I mean, you might die, but it might be worth it in the long run. Hope you guys enjoyed our tour of the Geyser Grand. If you don't see this video, well, then you know the ghost killed us.
It didn't go well tonight.
No. Oh gosh, that didn't sound good. That sounded freaky. That definitely sounded like death. I just heard ghosts, man.
I know.
Why are they talking about?
ghosts. Go talk to him.
No, you go talk to
Go
him.
talk to him.
No, you. These guys are talking about ghosts that work here. See, they probably talk about it every day, dude. What are they talking about for real?
I don't know. So we don't believe in ghosts or any of that, but we've started reading and seeing what they say about this hotel. Anything happen that you've seen?
I haven't.
You haven't seen anything? No? No?
No.
Yeah. Is it all just...
People have, but I haven't.
Really?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Have a good night.
That dude's lying. He's seen stuff. He's seen stuff, dude. He's definitely seen stuff. What were they talking about?
I don't know what they were talking about. I just said.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed our ghost story. Like I said, it was not part of the plan. We had no thoughts of like doing a tour of this hotel or talking about ghosts. But we thought it'd be interesting, and it's legit. I mean, it's on TV shows and people are doing it. So if you do believe in ghosts and you're ever in this area, check out this hotel. If not for the ghosts, it's just a super cool hotel in a really neat part of town. And it's the best hotel you'll find in this area, for sure. Yep. I mean, you're in the middle of nowhere out here, so.
Yeah. Wish us luck tonight.
Nice.
If you're here with me, and you want to play, can you move something or make a sound for me? We've picked up multiple EVPs of a little girl here. As the story goes, while the owner had a daughter, they were really close. And so here, potentially, is his handprint and her handprint, where we've had experiences and we didn't know this was here. The interesting thing with the prints is this could create an emotional tie to the facility. So from a paranormal point of view, you've got something that's connecting someone to stay. Freaked me out. That put me on a whole nother level tonight. And they said, have you seen the handprints? What are you talking about, handprints? So this is new to me. I'm like kid in a candy store now.
All right, so just leaving the Geyser Hotel. That was a great hotel. If you look at the reviews online, they're not great. I should say, for every good one, then there's a bad one. And it always talks about service, which I think is kind of funny because how much service do you need? You get checked in, you get checked out. Pretty simple. But yeah, pretty cool. Unfortunately, they have a ghost tour that they do every day at 2:30. But the guy who was supposed to do it today tore his Achilles, supposedly. So I don't know if that was a ghost that did that to him or what. But anyway, so we're still alive, so we didn't die last night, so that was cool. Yeah, but overall, pretty cool stay, pretty cool hotel. If you're ever in Baker City, for whatever reason, if you ever come through here, chances are you may not, but if you ever come this way, definitely a cool hotel to stay in, and we recommend it for sure. Oh wait, a ghost did leave me a message on a piece of paper.